Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living, and I mentor others to success in Forex. Let me ask you a question. How will you want me to be your mentor? You know, I'm looking for disciples to mentor to success. There are a lot of my students that are making 3, 4, 5 figures daily, working 1 to 2 hours, and I believe you can join them. You know, if you are watching this video right now, chances are that you'll be hearing about Forex and the kind of money people are making trading Forex, and you don't even know how to get started, or you have no clue about what it takes to start. Or maybe you'll be trading for a while, but there is no proven result, just to show for it. I mean, you are even ashamed of yourself right now because your friends, your family members, everybody know you that you're a Forex trader, but there's no just serious result to show for it. Don't worry, my friend. I mean, every success story started from where you are right now. And I remember started even from where you are right now. I bought 6 live accounts before I finally got it right. And now I promise myself that I'm going to help as many people that need my help, that lift up their hands and raise up their hands and wants to be helped. Okay, so make sure there should be a button below this video. Depends on where you are watching this video right now, but there should be a button right there. Click on that button. It's going to take you to where you read details of what we have to offer. I mean, the Forex Apostle mentoring is not for tire kickers. If you are looking to get rich quick, then this is not for it. But if you are ready to take, to start living life at your time, working 1 to 2 hours a day and making 3, 4, 5 figures daily, I'm talking about if you are ready to acquire a skill that will help you to thrive this new economy, then you are on the right page. I'm talking about developing and having a skill that will help you, making 3, 4, 5, even 6 figures daily trading Forex. So click the button below right now. Yes, that button right there. Click on that button, you go get access to the details of what this program is all about, and I look forward to mentor you. I look forward to helping you start making crazy money with Forex. God bless you. I'll see you in the members area.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Olaniro, and I am here to testify to Pastor Emmanuel Adegbola's FX training and coaching program. Pastor Adegbola is authentic. I was introduced to FX. Well, I've kind of always wanted to know FX trading, and I've ventured into it a couple of years back, but I didn't make anything out of it until I came into contact with Pastor Adegbola. I joined his training program sometime last year, late last year, October last year. But I can assure you that he's authentic. He teaches with a passion. He knows what he's doing. And if you follow his principles, his teachings, you will also make money. You will do well in FX trading. So, and I recommend it for anybody. I'm also promoting him. By the grace of God, I'm also a pastor. And I also introduced a couple of our church members to undergo this training. You cannot regret it. He is authentic, and I support what he's doing. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Christy. So if you're looking to become a professional Forex and cryptocurrency trader, then Easy Forex Institute is the best. I would also highly recommend the coaching and mentoring program from Emmanuel to everyone just seeking a full-time income leveraging this new crypto economy. So I'm averaging between 20 to 40 pips daily now and have over 80% winning trades. So just go ahead, take up Emmanuel's coaching and mentoring program. You will be glad you did. You will not regret it.
Hello, everybody. I'm glad to be here to give a testimony, especially on behalf of my wife, regarding cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And I'm glad to say that this testimony actually confirms the success of Pastor Emmanuel Adegbola's coaching program. My wife normally does not like to be an entrepreneur. I have been an entrepreneur for years, and I'm ready to take risks for so long as I think they are reasonable. But my wife is the kind of person who likes brick and mortar projects. Anyway, I was able to convince her to visit with Pastor Adegbola, and she agreed. And after a couple of days of coaching, Pastor Adegbola was able to convince her to purchase 1 Bitcoin. And this was about 5 months ago. And within 5 months, she bought 1 Bitcoin for I think about $2,200. And just about 2 weeks ago, she was able to cash out about $7,000, and she still has some money left in the Bitcoin. She didn't sell everything, which means she made a huge profit within a short time. I can tell you my wife is very happy because she's never been interested in risking her money. And where she tried in the past, things didn't work out well. But now she is very, very happy. I would really recommend this coaching course by Pastor Adegbola. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Michelle Mutter. I drove all the way from Killeen to here in Dallas today. That's about 2 hours and 30 minutes to have a training session with Mr. Emmanuel, Pastor Emmanuel. Really, I am so blessed to be here today because I have learned so much, and he has helped me beyond measure because he has stopped so many things that he had to do today. As a pastor, he has so many activities to do, and he really compromised everything to help me, and I'm very, very grateful. I say thank you to you, Pastor Emmanuel, for doing that for me. And I just wanted to say that I'm really happy to be here because I was able to learn how to use Traumatic system to actually go ahead and trade. I have learned to trade I have taken so many classes before, but here with Traumatic, I was able to place my stop loss, place my trade, and place my take profit, and I was able to make $15 for the first one and $32 for the second trade, which actually took us only about 15 minutes. So I recommend his system to anyone out there who's really struggling with trading. It was helpful. It's just the beginning, and I know that I'm going to profit more and more with his system. Please join us and let's grow together. Thank you.
Hello, this is Larry, and just want to stop by to tell you about something I came across that's awesome, making me money. It's trading in Forex and cryptocurrencies. I heard about it, saw some stories about it, and wanted to know more, but didn't know where to start. I came across this site, easyforexinstitute.com, and Emmanuel and the team over there really helped me get through the process from A to Z, and I'd like to give them a big thanks for that, because now I'm making income, and if I continue to make money at the rate that I'm making it, 6 months from now I'll be quitting my job and going full-time into trading Forex and cryptocurrencies. Okay, if you're interested in finding out more and finding out how it is that you're going to be able to trade like a professional and to be able to make yourself, a good return on your money, you need to check out easyforexinstitute.com. Thanks, Emmanuel.
Hello, this is Benjamin Berkeley of Vision Power International. Wow, I want to appreciate Mr. Emmanuel Adegbola, the Forex Apostle, for his creative mind. The Tradermatic software is a wonder magic. I tell you that. Now, through the Tradermatic software, I've been able to minimize my losses and also to magnify my profits, because the software has been so instrumental in my trading. Not only that, I can attest to his a coaching program. It's a wonderful teacher. It will take you hand by hand, leg by leg, and lead you until you can understand. It's someone that teaches you to the basic. I love the way he teaches, and I do recommend him. Make sure you get in touch with him, get his resources, get his material. It's somebody that you need to hook up with, because he will have positive and profitable influence in your life. God bless you. Have a great day.
Hey guys, my name is Toby and I'm going to shoot a video to thank the Tradematic team. Now the software does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is to help a complete newbie make money profitably in the Forex market using these color-coded signals. Now I was skeptical at first to buy because there are a lot of scams out there, but I went ahead and got this software because of Mr. Emmanuel's credibility and integrity. So I started making money in my first week of using this software. Now, to be very, very honest, I can't believe that this kind of software will be this affordable. Mr. Emmanuel, thank you so much for creating this software, and I believe it's going to change a lot of people's lives. I recommend this tool for everyone struggling to make money in the Forex market. Trust me that it is worth every penny. Go for it. Cheers.